Hey, this is Flux of Fluxwithit.com, and we're here with Modal Electronics, and they have a new line of Eurorack modules. So why don't you tell us who you are and what you have here?
Yeah, I'm Luca from Modal Electronics, and this is our new line of modules. We really wanted to take the best parts out of the keyboards, out of the 002 and 008 keyboards. So, well, we took some elements out of our keyboards and we made into Eurorack modules. So the first module we have is the 002 filter, which is very, very nice analog filter. And yeah, this is the module.
So, can you come over here and get a shot on
Sure.
that?
So you got the same parameters as the 002 filter module in the keyboard, and you got filter cutoff. This is basically mostly a low pass filter, but you have a control called slope. So you can change the shape from a 4-pole filter to a band pass to a 1-pole filter. It is a ladder filter, so the resonance.
What's the price point on these?
These should come about like $290 US price, but I'm not entirely sure about the final price because it's quite new, you know.
Can you tell us about the oscillator here?
Yeah, the NCO is basically again the same oscillators as the 002 oscillators. They're wavetable oscillators, and got different waveforms. 55 different waveforms. You got, of course, you can modulate the waveform and you can modulate the frequency, and you can use it as an LFO as well because you got a low mode, and a DRS function which basically halves the sample rate of the waveform, so you can get a different waveform starting from the main one, and a very handy subwave function. The subwave basically replicates the same waveform of the main oscillator onto the sub-oscillator, and of course you have a separate output for the sub-oscillator. So very flexible. Above you can find what we're gonna launch in the future. They just prototypes at the moment. They are the 008 oscillators, 008 filter. And that will come a bit later, but you know, it's just again, it's the same elements from the keyboards that we have. And then we have another module called G-Sync, which is a MIDI to CV clock converter.
Can you explain to me what the ports are up on here? You have a MIDI in, MIDI out, and then you have sequence in, sequence out.
Yeah, basically it's just, you know, a utility module, so you can get, for example, the clock from a MIDI keyboard and just to convert into CV and use it as for CV sequences.
Excellent. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.